1 minute, 30 seconds to mill time. One minute, 15 seconds to mill time. One minute to mill time.
Do I have any objections? We're going to mill.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, Mike was over. I'm sorry, I don't know where Mike came from. John is over. Who has a buoy cut? We have a dead boat back straight. We got a dead boat back straight. And there's 2 buoy cuts on Cade. Alright, again, there's a dead boat in that back straight. Dead boat. Alright, we got 2 down. We got 3 laps down. We got 4 laps down. Oh, last lap formation. This is going to be a last lap, right, for Daniel? Okay. Gonna be a finish first to Basin. It's gonna be a finish second, Daniel. And a finish for Cade. Go ahead, cut the course and bring it in. Hey, I have an adult question. So John jumped and then died. Technically, he did not start, right?
One minute, 15 seconds to mill time. One minute to mill time. "45 seconds to mill time."
Do I have any objections? All right, we're gonna go to mill.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, we're good. There's a dead boat right on the start here. We got a dead boat right on the start. So that was a good start for everybody else. Dead boat right here on the start. It's like lane 1. Don't hit it. All right, you've all seen it. We got one down. All right, don't forget about that dead boat. We got 2 down. All right, we got a dead boat back straight, dead boat back straight, dead boat, turn 2, dead boat, turn 2. There's 3 dead boats, back straight, turn 2, and on the start. 3 dead boats, don't hit them. All right, are we on 4? That's gonna be 4 down for Dawn. Nice. Wonky turn, but we'll take it. Okay, this is gonna be a last lap for Dawn. This is gonna be a last lap for Joe. Alright, this is gonna be a finish. First place for Dawn. And a finish second for Joe. You guys go ahead and cut the course and bring them in. Alright, P Sport Hydro, I need you guys to come down here. P Sport Hydro. I would like to start